3, 2, 1, go. Ne me touche pas, toi!
Back in the room. The thing is, we just came back from the tour and I ate dinner with my friends in the room downstairs. After that, we had some commissions, like errands to run, because our card deactivated. It started not working anymore, so we went downstairs. We asked for cutlery, we asked for 3 more towels, and we got our card reactivated. So now I am so tired. We haven't slept since Thursday. No sleep, on the road to go from the point A to here. We're actually in New Jersey in the Sheraton Edison, and so far so good. Wow. All I have to say now is the trip is going smoothly, everything is going perfectly. Company we're dealing with for now, I'm gonna tell you all about my thoughts at the end of the trip, but today felt really good. I can't even talk. I'm so tired. I'm seriously, I cannot tired. I can't talk. But right now, I'm gonna take a shower and do some skincare because I want to do some skincare. Tomorrow we have a busy day too. We have the entire itinerary here, and tomorrow on the main activities we have the One World Trade Center observation deck, we have the walking tour for Wall Street, the harbor cruise for the Statue of Liberty, and then we have Chinatown slash Little Italy, and then we have free time on Times Square, and that's pretty much it. I think we mostly have more free time because we only took the cruise for that day. Today with the Madame Tussauds, like you saw, the museum, and tomorrow our main activity that we paid for is the cruise. So that's that. I am so exhausted, but New York, yeah, New York for New Year's Eve, New York for 2024, ending the year good, ending 2023 good. Honestly, so far so good, even though like there's a little bit of with the frowns. That's I'm so tired, but for now I really like the hotel. For now the organization is good and I feel fulfilled, happy, satisfied, and I'm gonna go because I'm rambling and we need to sleep because tomorrow we have to wake up super early because the breakfast starts at 6 and then we have to be in the bus at 7:30. They're really pointy on being on time, and I really understand that. And I also have to do my makeup, so yeah, I have to wake up approximately around 4 a.m. So I have to go to sleep now. This is nonsense. Anyways, I'm gonna go and I'm so tired. My friend's taking a shower right now. I'm gonna organize my stuff and start getting ready for bed. This is my skincare bag. I have such a big skincare bag. I know, I brought all my stuff here. I brought a lot of, what's the word? I brought different toothpaste and I also brought a lot of skincare and just, you know, makeup remover and stuff, but I'm so tired. And this is my makeup bag. By the way, I'm only traveling with a backpack. With my tote bag here, that's my backpack. Cheers to the water. Free water in the room. That's good. I'm so thirsty. 잘 먹겠습니다.